What's going on, guys? Thank y'all for tuning into the video today. I just wanted to make this little compilation video of us going through. We went to Arizona at the end of December for a little bachelor party for my little brother, and I didn't get a video of all the ducks that we killed, but I got a video of most of the ducks that we ended up killing. I also have some shot cam footage, so I'll put that into the video as well. But like I said, this won't be anything like like crazy, you know. It'll be just some little GoPro footage that I had, and I just thought I'd put together a little YouTube video for it. So thank y'all for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe if you like us. I have an Instagram page. It's called Sprigs and Spurs. My personal Instagram page is Riley Jones. Thank y'all for tuning in, and we hope to have some more videos from South Louisiana, our hometown. So thank y'all again.
Oh, Andrew shot at one tail.
Facts. I see one on the reflection of the water right here behind me. That's like a... Oh, look, right here behind us, right here behind us.
Oh, do not shoot behind us. Don't.
He's coming around front.
Don't shoot behind us. Shoot that one. Shoot that one. Shoot. Nice. Who's got it?
How do you shoot him? Yeah.
Teal. Hen. Green wing. You kill her. Make sure you kill her. Nice. On the board. Shoot it.
Don't hit the mojo though.
Go get it. Now, hurry up and get out there. Bring your gun too, just in case.
These are gas.
That's pretty good. One you look? Oh, yeah, I said Luke Riley.
Azure.
BDK. Sorry, flying the birds.
Absolutely slaughtering them right now.
We're just out here on a heist, guys. Out in the wilderness, exploring nature.
Jace, you got anything to say?
No.
Luke?
I'm warm with this new sickle.
You warm. Luke, anything?
No, I got a hole in my butt.
Oh yeah, that's true. I see.
Right there.
Yep. These first couple clips that you guys are watching, that was our first morning in Arizona. We killed a green winged teal that morning, and we killed two green winged teal that morning. And after that, we didn't see too many birds. Had a bunch of geese fly over, some sandhill cranes, sorry. But didn't see much that first morning at all. Wait. Take it.
Dang, we put some shells in that dude.
Oh yeah. Green winged teal. Another drake. That's a good one. Watch them. Huh? More?
No, look, to the left right here. Look. It's on the water. It's on the water right here. Where'd they go?
I'm not watching them. They landed behind us?
Yep.
Dang, dude. Oh, one more. Get down, get down. Stay down, stay down. They're to your right. They landed back there?
No, they're still working.
Y'all see them still or no?
Did they come up like weird?
Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't move.
Two out front. Two out front.
Oh, yep.
They're gonna be up behind me.
On my side. There's 5. There's a single in front. He's looking at it hard. Y'all see him?
Yeah.
Yep. Watching him.
Where's he at?
He went around. Yeah, that might have something to do with it too.
Huh?
Said that might have something to do with it too.
Yeah, just a little bit, I think.
Look at this idiot.
Single right here.
Let me hit him.
Big duck.
Let me hit him.
Luke, you got that. Luke, you got that.
Holded him. Told you that long choke goes to work, boys.
Hey, bro.
Yeah. Let me see it.
That makes the day for
Look at this,
sure, bro.
Double curled up.
Oh, yes. Dude,
That's a stud.
let's go. Oh my God.
What a unit, huh?
Heck yeah.
Pretty thing.
You want to see it?
Right in his head, too.
Love it. That's beautiful. So what y'all just watched from these second groups of clips was our evening hunt. We killed we killed a drake green-winged teal, and then we killed a drake mallard right at the end. It was right at shooting time, and it must have been a good 70-yard shot that one of our buddies hit on him. So that was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. We've seen a lot of birds that evening. They just weren't really working with us. We had a couple groups out there, couple group of guys that was out there with us too. So everyone was pretty much sky blasts and things like that. But it was a lot of fun. We've seen a lot more birds that evening. That's widgeon.
Circle back. There's two out. Two more that
Yep.
can pass them up. Coming up.
Oh, do not shoot, because them other big ducks turned. They're making a turn back. Dude, they're about to do it dirty. Look at them, Jace, to your right. Take a shot. Take a shot. Oh, one of them.
I gotta put that full choke in. Right here. About to do dirty. Kill him.
That's you. That's all you. Nice. Now you got to run out there and get it.
I didn't shoot it.
Like, get it as soon as possible. Get it. Don't go that quick.
Don't go too fast. Don't fall in that water, Jace. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. Holy god. Don't fall in, Jace. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh.
You should have just got it.
Dude, help him out.
Help him out.
Are you good? You're good. Stop me the gun.
I'm good.
Here. No.
Stay calm.
I got soaked.
Oh, good. Unless you had it in.
Man, this was not good at all.
We should have went to the back of the island.
So we moved around 4 or 5 different times trying to find the right spot. The birds would land on the other side of the creek, and so we moved up a little bit further, and then ended up. So what you guys just saw is our buddies falling in the water and about to drown. We really thought we was about to have to jump in there with them, but and yeah, that scared the mess out of us. So we ended up moving further down along the creek there. But we seen a bunch of birds there.
Single, Mike.
Three more.
This one's turning. Look straight above you.
What's he doing?
He's turned. Jace, if you got that choke in, and he gets over
If he
top,
comes over my head again.
He likes it.
he's coming on your left side. Left side, he's cupped up. You can shoot that. Not right now, not right now.
Keep going.
The second pass.
He turned. Dude, he's looking hard.
I don't know.
He's right above us. To your left, Jace. You see him way up there?
Yeah. If he comes back, I can hit him.
There's a single coming down the chute.
He's coming back. He's going to stay low, stay low.
Shoot that one.
Oh,
Go. Now. That's a widgeon. Go get it.
Oh, thank you, Luke. Hey,
That's a widgeon.
is that a stud? Dude, is it Drake?
Yep.
Is that a Drake?
That was good.
Is that a Drake? No. Dang it, bro.
Here, kill him.
You get up first. You shooting them.
Yeah, I mean, you kill him. 6 on our back.
Huh?
6 right there.
What also might help, Luke, is if you can find a spot to be in the shade. I didn't even think about that. Like, I have to get down. What was that other bird?
We got 2 above us.
Oh.
They're coming around. Hold on.
There's 3, 4 on your right side. Wait. Do not move now. One
Hey,
turn.
Look, there's 4 cupped up. 4 cupped up.
One turn.
Look at these guys.
There's a single straight above us. A single straight above us. Here, look. Get right next to me.
Hey, he's firing again, dude.
You're the only one that can shoot it up high. So if he gets in within range for you, you shoot him.
He's coming down. I'm not pulling up, y'all shoot him.
If he's high,
Yeah, if he's high, you have to shoot him. Nobody else can.
No,
Wait. Shoot it now. Shoot. Go.
Oh, I'm out of freaking shit. Hammer him again.
Nice, you shot him twice. Andrew, you can get that?
Yeah, give me a shot.
I'm coming.
I was out, dude. I didn't even
Yeah,
reload my gun.
We had finally pushed down further, like I said earlier, pushed down further to the end, or pretty much to the end of this little island that was in the middle of this creek, or not creek, but it was the river, whatever that we was hunting, and that's where we finally ended up finding them. We started figuring out what they were doing, where they were landing. We got in the right wind direction, so it started working out for us. We really started hammering them. Then they started, coming in closer. They started landing the decoys. And again, I forgot to turn on my GoPro for this one as well. So I only have a few of the birds that we killed. But this spot was much better, and we should have went here first. It was all my fault for not going there first, though. Stud. Where'd she go?
Oh, this guy's done.
Shoot.
That'd been old Rye that clipped the frick out of him.
Did I hit him?
Oh yeah, you clipped him bad.
Dang.
Look at him skit down.
To your left.
See over the tree.
Look.
Those two right there, front.
Just cook my attacking class out. I mean, class points.
He's coming in here. Luke, shoot it. Luke, shoot it. Luke, shoot it. Luke, shoot it. Oh no. Nice.
Hold on.
Nice.
Who shot that, man?
The very end of the hunt, you can see that the water had already been pushed out from them lifting the dam, and we had pizza boxes and stuff everywhere. We obviously ended up picking up all of that stuff. We didn't leave any trash out there, but as you can see towards the clip after this one, it'll show the birds that we ended up killing. We ended up killing 12, which was 2 shy of a 2-man out there, and from everyone that we've talked to in Arizona, that this was a pretty good hunt. So it was so much fun. We really enjoyed it. We killed a lot of birds that we usually don't kill back home, and we've seen a lot of birds that we definitely don't see back home. So it was really fun, a lot of fun. Here, let me do this one. I said in the previous clip that we had killed 12. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, we killed 13. And should have killed more than that, obviously. Like, the water, this was way different kind of hunting than we've ever been used to. So we'd shoot one and the water would push them down before we could get out there. Plus, there were certain parts of the river that was, 8 foot deep that we didn't even realize. So we definitely should have killed a lot more. We obviously added those to our bag, but one shy of a 2-man. And look, I just want to thank you guys for watching it. If you made it all the way this far, like, subscribe, comment, do whatever. Appreciate you guys for watching it.